Here's the upgrade we've all been waiting for. The ASUS ZenBook Duo UX482 is finally here in the Philippines. And it's definitely a game changer for the multitasker like me. Hi, I'm Rodolfo Liz and welcome to Nognog in the City Unboxing. If you've been following me with my vlogs, you'll definitely remember the very first time I introduced to all of you the very first version of the ASUS ZenBook Duo. That was back in 2019 in Taipei, Taiwan, when ASUS Philippines brought influencers and media outfits here in the Philippines to Taiwan just to be able to see and witness the official launch of this awesome product. Sobrang excited ako and tuwa ako when that happened, and when I was able to use the product, sobrang sabi ko sa sarili ko, this is something that could really help me out with my job. And of course, after years of collecting ideas and of course comments and suggestions from all the users worldwide, finally ASUS has revealed the second version, which is the ASUS ZenBook Duo UX482. And of course, this is a much better version from its predecessor with an advanced technology and efficient usage. And I'm so very lucky to give you my very first impression of this product. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Of course, we got the 14 inches laptop, which is pretty light and handy. Along with it was a Thunderbolt power cable, some manuals, and it also contains a stylus pen you can use for design, graphics, and such. People who loves to doodle would definitely enjoy this. I don't know what this one is called, but they are also added this sleeve that you can put under the laptop to give you that added elevation. This laptop version is only available in celestial blue color and has a nice metal finish and a plastic interior build. With dual screen, ASUS did a great job of still making it slender and sleek, and very handy for people who are always on the go. On the sides, you'll get two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, an HDMI 1.4, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a micro SD slot, which I hope they made it fit for an SD card instead to simplify, photo transfer, especially for photographers like us. And of course, with a compact laptop, there are surely some parts that would carry the burden, specifically the keyboard. I can honestly say that the keyboard is tightly packed with very minimal spacing, and personally, it's a bit hard for me to type faster. I guess time is really needed for you to adjust to its size. With the current situation of us doing more virtual meeting and such, it is really important to have a decent camera. And ASUS ZenBook Duo gives us a standard camera and is decently clear, especially with available light. There are some times that I'm a bit washed out during daylight, but it actually focuses and eventually adjusts. And during meetings as well, you'll also probably be seen a bit grainy, especially if other people is watching in full screen. Microphone will be the next best important thing you needed in a virtual meeting. So good thing ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 got a decent microphone even without using an external mic or a headset. When you speak, your voice can be heard clearly, and it does have this technology that focuses on your voice solely and drown everything around you. The full HD main display got a 93% screen-to-body ratio and is bright and sharp, making it more enjoyable to watch videos on YouTube or Netflix. It also got this anti-glare capability for improved readability, especially when using the unit outdoors. At the corner, you'll see two well-designed speakers. This is a product by audio specialist Harman Kardon, giving us an astonishing sound you'll enjoy while listening to music or watching movies. And just like the previous ASUS models, a touchpad can be located at the side of the laptop. Though a bit small for my hand, using mouse for me would be better. But if you like a bigger touchpad, you can always rely at the huge secondary screen, which is of course the highlight of this laptop. Both primary and secondary are touchscreens. Hence, if you're fond of using pads and pens, you'll definitely enjoy this one. This ScreenPad Plus makes multitasking so fluid. Just simply drag and drop and it will automatically resize or refit itself to the screen. Very useful, especially if you are working on the primary screen while doing some side hustles on the second one. There are also optimized apps and softwares like Adobe products that can automatically detect the ScreenPod Plus, and adjust the software environment. If you are using multiple applications and having a hard time reading it on the secondary screen, you can simply grab and use the swap function, or press the shortcut button on the side at the top of the touchpad. Another good thing that I super love about the new feature is the task group, and it's accessible at the new control center. If you got applications you always open for work or for school, you can simply group it and save it at the task group. You can set up and open up to 7 different applications at the same time using this feature, and even do a color code for easier recognition. If you're looking into something that would need a bigger screen, simply activate the View Max or drag and expand the window, and it will automatically be stretched on the primary and on the ScreenPad Plus. And I love how seamless the visuals is, thanks to the adjustment made to make this brand new tilting design fit for seamless workflows. What I got is an Intel Core i7 with 2GB VRAM, 6GB memory, and 1TB SSD. And that specs is particularly suited for doing like graphics, layout design, of course photo enhancement and editing, as well as basic to light video editing as well. Upload and download is no problem thanks to Wi-Fi 6 enhanced with ASUS Wi-Fi Master technology, so you can easily create and share on the go. The upgrade to 11th Gen Intel processor also has made the unit very power efficient with improved battery life. It also produces less heat output while providing the performance we needed. Battery life can last up to 17 hours on a single charge, but of course, it will always depend on how you use it. The new laptop of tomorrow is definitely something to look forward to, but the question now is, will this fit you? I guess if you're a multitasker who loves doing 2 or more at the same time, or probably a doodle artist, a graphic designer, a photographer, or maybe a social media content creator who loves doing light to basic video editing, having the ASUS ZenBook Duo UX482 will definitely help you create a job well done. Let me know your thoughts about the ASUS ZenBook Duo by commenting down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. Until next time, this is Nognog in the City, signing off.